Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something very special to share with you, a beginner's guide on how to start your very own medicinal garden kit. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable information to help you grow your own medicinal herbs and plants right at home. But before we dive in, I want to introduce you to the star of today's show, Medicinal Garden Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to kickstart your journey into herbalism. From seeds to soil, pots to plant markers, it's all here. Now, let's get started on setting up your medicinal garden. Introduction to medicinal gardening. Before we start planting, let's talk about what medicinal gardening is all about. Medicinal gardening involves growing plants specifically for their therapeutic properties. These plants can be used to make teas, tinctures, salves, and more to support health and well-being. Each plant in Medicinal Garden Kit has unique benefits. For example, chamomile is known for its calming properties, while echinacea can boost the immune system. By growing these plants at home, you have access to fresh, organic remedies whenever you need them. Setting up your Medicinal Garden Kit. Now, let's talk about setting up your medicinal garden kit. The first step is to choose a suitable location for your garden. Most medicinal herbs prefer full sun, so look for a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Next, fill your pots with well-draining potting soil. Plant your seeds according to the instructions provided, and water them gently. Be sure to label each pot so you know what you've planted. Once your seeds are planted, place your pots in a sunny windowsill or a sunny spot in your garden. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and soon you'll start to see your herbs sprouting. Caring for your medicinal garden. Caring for your medicinal garden is simple but important. Make sure to water your plants regularly, especially during hot weather. You may also want to fertilize them occasionally to encourage healthy growth. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and treat them promptly to prevent spread. Many medicinal plants are naturally resistant to pests, but it's always good to stay vigilant. Harvesting and using your medicinal herbs. Finally, the most rewarding part of medicinal gardening, harvesting your herbs. Most herbs are ready to harvest when they're in full bloom. Simply snip off the leaves or flowers as needed, leaving enough behind for the plant to continue growing. Once harvested, you can use your herbs fresh or dry them for later use. To dry herbs, simply hang them upside down in a warm, well-ventilated area until they're completely dry. Then, store them in airtight containers away from sunlight. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to starting your medicinal garden kit. Whether you're looking to support your health naturally or simply enjoy the beauty of herbalism, growing your own medicinal herbs is a rewarding and empowering experience. If you're interested in starting your own medicinal garden, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on Medicinal Garden Kit. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.